Hello everyone, this is Hochi from Help Videos TV. Thank you for watching our videos. And right now I'm going to show you guys how to add a watermark or brand your YouTube channel videos. It's pretty easy. A lot of folks do that. That way they can add a subscribe button, or sometimes they would do it so they can add just the logo of their channel. So in this case I have here a subscribe now button. It's transparent, it's on PNG, and YouTube will require you to have that image as .png, and I also have a logo here of my channel. So the first thing you got to do is log into your channel. Second, you have to go into your Creator Studio section. Once you go there, you go to Channel. Once you click on Channel, you go on Branding. So once you click Branding, it would give you the option of add watermark. So you would click on that, and here for best results, use transparency and just one color. So in this case, I have pretty much white and red, but that should be fine. In this case, you cannot drag it, so you have to choose the file. So I'll click on choose file, and it's my subs.png. Once I click save, that's a watermark right there. As you can see, it's transparent because it gives me these little squares here. I'm going to save that. And now that will appear on all my videos, as you can see here. All right, so I want it starting at 5 seconds. That should be fine. But I actually want it on the entire video in this case. So I'm going to update. It's going to update, and once you do that, sometimes it takes some time before you can see it, but let's just go here to our channel and let's see if that already comes up. So let me turn down the volume. And let's see if that, yeah, it's right here, subscribe now. And that's how you do it. It's real easy, real simple. You can create the subscribe button, or you can create it on any of those image editors. It's pretty easy, as you can see. So anyways, I hope you guys find this video useful. Again, don't forget to subscribe.